Hi students, welcome back. Coming to the next topic in the subject, compiler design was principal source of optimization. So what's the main principal source of optimization? So this is one of the code optimization is one of the level in the compilation process. So this comes under the back end. The code optimization, the code generation, and the target mission, this all comes under the back end of the compiler. Now let's see what is the main principal source of optimization. Actually, what is this optimization here? So whatever the code that want to produced by the straightforward compiling algorithm can often be made to run faster or take less space. Okay, so this improvement, that is a straightforward compiling which takes the Lec space, is achieved by the program transformations that are traditionally called as optimization. Okay, so you're optimizing the program and you're making to run faster, and the main aim here, you have to take the less space. You have to occupy the less space in the memory. So that is the main concept of optimization. Optimizing, reducing, and it has to run faster. Now let's see the optimizations. The optimizations are classified into two categories. Optimization is classified into two categories. So what are the two categories? So one is a machine independent optimization. Machine independent optimization and the machine dependent optimization. So if you want to reduce the code and you want to make the program to run faster, so that can be done with the help of machine independent or the machine dependent. Now let's see what is this machine independent optimization. Machine independent optimization. So what it means? The machine independent optimizations or program transformations first let me write, later I'll explain, that improve target code, without taking into consideration any properties of target machine. So our main aim of using the optimization is to reduce the thing, okay, and you have to make the program as a small and you have to execute it at faster. Then what is machine independent optimization? Independent, the name itself is saying it is not dependent on anything. So here the programs, machine independent optimization or program transformations. So it is going to transfer the program that improve the target code. So whatever that transformation is going to be done, that improves the target code without taking into consideration any properties of target machine. Means without taking any help, any target machine help. It is not taking any target machine help. By itself it is transforming the program which improves the target code. Then what about the machine dependent optimization? Machine dependent optimization. So the machine dependent optimization here, these optimizations are based on register allocation. It is depending. The thing is, here it is independent. It doesn't bother about any target machine. But here it is dependent. So if it is dependent means it has to use some components that in the memory. Okay. So this optimization or based on register allocation and utilization of special machine instructions. Utilization of special machine instruction sequence. So it is going to generate a improved target code with the help of based on the register allocations and utilizing the special machine instructions that are present in this memory. Okay, so these are the two categories, that is the principal source of optimization, machine independent optimization and the machine dependent optimization. Now let's see what are the code optimizations, the different ways or the different techniques of the code optimizations in the next video. Thank you.